teacher Devika. I'm from Alpha Castle Preschool Nippon Tabal. So how are you all today? I hope everyone is fine. Alright children, so teacher going to teach you hands-on maths for year 4. So are you all excited to learn? Very good. So before we start our lesson, let's sing the day song. Let's count the number chart 1 to 10. Let's go children.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's count the number chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We already done count.
One little, two little, three little numbers, four little, five little, six little numbers, seven little, eight little, nine little numbers, 10 little numbers. One, two, three little numbers, 4, 5, 6 little numbers, 7, 8, 9 little numbers, 10 little numbers.
Alright children, can anyone guess what number is this? Yes, this is number 3. Number 3. Children, we already done sing all the songs and we already guessed the numbers too. Alright children, today's lesson going to be about revision. So today we're going to do revision about number 1 and number 2. So are you all ready for the revision? So now let's go. Alright, does anyone know what number is this children? Can anyone guess? In previous lesson, we already learned about this number. This is number 1. Number 1. Children, do you still remember this challenge? Finger challenge? Yes, very good. This is how we show the one finger. Can you all show me the one finger to teacher? One finger. One finger. Very good.
Touch number 1. One. King. Good job.
Alright children, now we're going to get to know about this number. Do you all still remember what number is this? Correct. This is number 2. Number 2. Very good. You all still remember this number. Same as well. Do you still remember this finger challenge? Alright, can you show me your two fingers as the picture shown? Very good. This is two fingers. Two fingers.
Choose the number you want to trace. 2. Fantastic! I'm proud of you. 2. Woohoo! Good job! Select number. Elephants. 1. Nice. 2. Woohoo! 2. Elephants. Good job!
Alright children, we already done our revision. So now let's do some extra activity. So are you all ready children? So let's go and see. Hi, now let's see our first activity about number 1. Alright, now let's read the title. Number Scramble. How many number 1 can you find in the number mix below? Circle them. Alright, now we're going to circle the number 1. So children, can you find me where is the number 1 and how many number 1? So children, can you finger point and show me where is the number 1? Yes, very good. Here is the number 1. And where is another one? Ta-da! Here is the number 1. Now let's circle each. 1. Alright, now let's find another one. Where is the number 1? Is this number 1? No. Is this number 1? No. Is this number 1? Yes. So now let's circle. Alright. Now let's search for another number 1. Let's go. Is this number 1? No. Is this? No. Is this number 1? Yes, very good children. So let's circle it. Yay, we already done circle. Now let's search for another number 1. Let's go. Is this number 1? No. Is this number 1? No. Is this number 1 children? Yes. So what should we do? We should circle them. Let's circle. Very good. We already done. Now let's find for another number 1. Is this number 1? No. Is this number 1 children? No, no, no. Is this number 1? Yes, clever. Now let's circle the number 1. Yay, done. Circle number 1. Now let's find for another number 1. Is this number 1? No. Is this number 1? No. Is this number 1 children? Yes, this is number 1. So let's circle. Very good. Now let's find another number 1. Is this number 1, children? Yes, it's number 1. So let's circle. We already done. Find all the number 1. Now let's count. How many number 1 are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! We already find 8 ones. So now let's move to next activity. It's our next activity. So this is number 2. So let's read the title. Number scramble. How many number 2 can you find in the number mix below? Circle them. Alright, so we're going to find the number 2 and circle them. Alright, now let's find the number 2. So let's go. Children, is this number 2? No. Is this number 2, children? Yes, so what should we do? We should circle them. So let's circle. Done, circle. So now let's find for another 2. Is this 2? Number 2? No. Is this number 2? No. Is this number 2, children? No. Is this number 2? Yes, correct. So what should we do? We should circle them. So let's circle. 2. Alright, now let's find another number 2. Is this number 2, children? No, it's number 1. Is this number 2, children? Yes! So let's circle them. Alright, now let's find for another number 2. Is this number 2? No. Is this number 2? No. Is this number 2, children? No. Is this number 2? No. Children, is this number 2? Yes. So what should we do? We should circle them. Let's go. Ta-da! We already done. Alright, let's move to search another number 2. Is this number 2? No. Is this number 2, children? No. Children, is this number 2? No, no, no. Children, is this number 2? No. Children, is this number 2? Yes. Good job. So what should we do? We should circle them. Alright. Is this number 2, children? No. Children, is this number 2? Yes. So what should we do? We should circle them. Alright, we already done. Circle all the number 2. Now let's count how many number 2 are there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 number 2. That's all for today's activity. We already done our extra activity. Now let's see our homework session. Let's go, children. We are on page number 5. Now, before we start to do our homework, what should we do? We should circle page number. After done circle page number, what should we do? We should write our name, day and date. Alright children, now let's read. Finger point children. Ready, point. So now let's read 1 and 2. Count and write. So we're going to count the items and write the number on this line. So let's start children. Do you know what is this children? This is a ball. So how many balls are there? 2. Very good children. So let's count. 1, 2. So what number you should write on the line? 2. Teacher already done right number 2. Alright, now let's move to another one. What is this children? This is a ball too. So how many balls are there? 1. So what number you should write here? 1. So now let's write the number 1. Yay! Teacher already done write the number 1. Alright, what is this? Yes, this is a ball too. How many balls are there? Yes, 2 balls. Now let's count children. 1, 2. So what number you should write on the line? 2. Very good. Now let's write the number 2. Teacher already done write the number 2. Alright, now let's move to another last box. What can you see? Yes, it's a ball too. How many balls are there? 1. Very good children. So what number you should write on the line? 1. Yay, we already done our homework. Children, we already done our homework. I hope you all understand what we have learned for today. Alright, before we end up the lesson, teacher would like to ask what you have learned for today. From today's lesson, what you have learned? Yes, today we do revision about number 1 and number 2. So I hope you all understand about it. So take care children and bye bye. See you in the next lesson children.